Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azlin Wahidah binti Zakaria, metric number 285365. Today, I will present question 1 to complete assignment 5, subject BEEQ1013, Introduction to Mathematical Economy. Without further ado, let's get started. They are given 3 questions. Question A asks to determine where the function is concave outward and where is concave downward. The solution is, first, we need to use first derivative and we get the answer is 3x squared minus 2x plus 18. Next, we use the second derivative to determine whether the function is concave outward and concave downward. We get the answer cx minus 12 and we assume the function the fx equal to. So, we can solve the function and get x equal to 2. And the interval is negative infinity, negative 2 to infinity. So that we need to test the value of the function to determine which interval is concave outward or concave downward. To test it, we need to do a table that includes interval, test point, function, sine of, and the result of concave. From the interval, we need to take one value to substitute into the function. For negative infinity, negative 2, we take 1, and to infinity, we take the value of 3. For the first interval, we get negative 6, which the sign is negative and the result is concave downward. For the second interval, we do the same step. We substitute the value of 3 into the function and we get 6, which is the sign is positive and the result is concave outward. So, from the function, we can conclude that fx will concave outward for all value of x greater than 2 at interval 2 infinity. And fx will concave downward for all value of x less than 2 at interval negative infinity, negative 2. Question B1 Roman asks us to find the marginal score function. They are given the first function is equals 0.00001x cubed minus 0.003x squared plus 5x plus 1000. To find marginal cost function, we need to use first derivative and we get 0.00003x squared minus 0.006x plus 5. For the next question, B2 Roman asks us to describe the behavior of marginal cost function, whether concave outward or concave downward. So, we need to use the marginal score function that we get from first Roman. After that, we need to use first derivative and we get the answer 0.00006x minus 0.006. Next, we use the second derivative and we get 0.0006. The answer greater than 0 and we assume that marginal score function concave outward. For the question C1 Roman, ask us to find the level of production that will yield a maximum profit for the company. The question has given the revenue function and cost function. we need to find the profit function. We use the profit formula, which is TR minus TC. So we need to substitute the revenue function and cost function into the profit function. And we get the answer negative x cubed plus 21x squared minus 72x plus 800. After that, we need to use first derivative to get the value of x. We assume the profit equal to 0. And we get the value of x equal to 12, x equal to 2. To prove correct answer, we use the second derivative and get negative cx plus 42. After that, we substitute the value of x into the function. When x equal to 12, we get the answer is negative 30, which is less than 0. And when x equal to 2, we get the answer is 30. When x equal to 2, we get the answer is 30 greater than 0. We reject the answer because a company will maximum a profit when MR equal to MC equal to 0. We can conclude T as less than 0 show that x equal to 12 unit that level at production will maximum the profit for the company. Last but not least, the question asks find the price per unit to maximize the profit. As we know, the revenue function equal to price multiplied by quantity of units, so to find price we equal to revenue divide by Q. Next, we substitute the value of s, which is 12, into the function. And we get the answer is 776 per unit. And we can conclude the price is Rn 776 per unit. That's all from me. Thank you.